MDC Rabindra Debbarma on Thursday carried out a ground inspections of the severely damaged road infrastructure at Lakhamoti Para, located under the Shankhala VC of the Hezamara RD Block. The vital village artery was left completely battered following recent spells of torrential rainfall, causing immense distress to local commuters. The recent heavy downpours have triggered extensive soil erosion, washing away large portion of the earthen tracks and turning the stretch into a treacherous muddy bog. The current condition of the road has cut off access, disrupted daily commute and isolated farmers. Acknowledging that proper road connectivity has been a long-standing and fulfilled demand of the local residents, MDC Rabindra Debbarma directly interacted with the affected villages to assess the extent of the damage. To provide immediate relief and sustainable fix, the MDC announced that the TTAADC will step in directly to overhaul the sector. He gave a firm assurance to the community that funds would be sanctioned rapidly for the construction of a road along with a sturdy concrete bridge.
Shankhala village committee meeting klaijak Lakhamoti hinomo oneke saw mudi bari o para engkha Lakhamoti para oro kaisa belakheno jingjaleng dong lama prai o lama ni ai naro hongke prai 15-16 poribar tongo bisi kolok ma tui romoi borok kaisa demand khaimane o jagao lama kisa kam kai dinai kintu takla seke wati wakha o wati ni bage side wall je tomora boka ge thangka Governor chung edisi hapangni hoite bachini block no chung khana soni sumbani bising chung likhi torinai ora kaisa permanent kaisa chung RCC bridge kaisa rikhangka aini chini jara kamini borok okra chakra rok srai rok lekha pora khaina rok wati pamti phana por parung manai jak ora kaisa dukhojonok gothana tongo thanai 1 bosorni sigang chini orani chakra kuk bo bago থানায় থাকতে তুই কতর বব হাইন কলে গই থাংজাকা গাবন বাগা ম খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ जों চিনি বরংগনাং মন্ত্রী বিশ্বকেতু দেববর্মা ভাই হনো সাইটক লাইনাই তাকলাইনি বিসিङाव তাবो खायना बागे आपातत ताबो बेला साइटिं खाय अ वातियो अ हारक ताइ कुवागमाया जात खायना बागे आंगरनि मेम्बार नां साइरिका बरता खायनाय आवं बागे चिंतिनर बिजि खायना फैमानि.
The MDC directed accompanying engineering officials to expedite the preparation of the formal project estimation report so that the construction work can begin on the ground as soon as possible. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.